Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to create a game passes and developer products on Roblox. Let's get started. So to create a game pass, just open the Google Chrome or Safari. Then go to the roblox.com and log in. Then here tap the three dots and scroll to a desktop site. Hover over Create and select your game under My Creation and click Game Passes on the left menu and choose File to upload an image. You can name and describe your Game Pass and click Preview to verify upload. Then once uploaded, click that gear icon to configure. Then, under the sales, toggle the items for sale to on and set a price, and click Save. And to create a developer products, here's how to do it. First, go to the Roblox developer, then select your game. Then click the gear icon next to your game and click the Create Developer Product. And fill in the important information like your name, description, price in Robux, image, and then after that, tap Click Create. Then after creation, copy that product ID. You'll need it in the game script. And take note that developer products require a scripting in Roblox Studio to work properly. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.